Welcome to A New Dawn in Flight, where brilliant engineering merges with the power of artificial intelligence. Today, we embark on a journey through the rapidly shifting world of aviation, revealing how algorithms and automation are reshaping everything from cockpit controls to global air traffic. Once a field defined by mechanical feats and daring pilots, aviation now stands on the brink of a revolution powered by machine learning. Join us as we follow the rise of AI-driven systems that predict engine failures, refine flight routes, and personalize passenger experiences, ushering in a safer, more efficient world of infinite possibilities. Overcrowded skies and unpredictable weather make air traffic management one of aviation's greatest challenges. Enter AI, a critical tool for air traffic controllers worldwide. By analyzing real-time data on flight paths, runway usage, and environmental conditions, these intelligent systems predict and prevent potential conflicts before they arise. We meet the experts combining human skill with sophisticated analytics to keep some of the world's busiest air corridors flowing smoothly. From collision avoidance to dynamic route adjustments, AI solutions reduce delays, cut fuel use, and help ensure that millions of passengers reach their destinations on time, every time. Step into a cockpit where technology and human skill unite. Today's pilots rely on AI-driven systems that constantly monitor weather patterns, fuel efficiency, and aircraft performance, providing real-time insights to improve decision-making. Semi-autonomous and fully autonomous aircraft, once purely science fiction, are now on the horizon. In simulators, we see how AI assists in critical moments, acting as both co-pilot and guardian angel when conditions become challenging. By reducing the risk of human error, these tools promise safer, smoother flights. Together, human pilots and AI chart new territory for aviation, taking us ever closer to a world of truly digital piloting. Maintenance in aviation is evolving, from static schedules to a proactive approach that anticipates problems before they occur. In these high-tech hangars, aircraft feed sensor data into AI-driven models, alerting engineers to potential issues long before they become dangerous faults. Airlines see a major reduction in delays and last-minute cancellations, and passengers benefit from increased confidence in aircraft reliability. We also glimpse the power of digital twins, virtual replicas of real aircraft used for testing improvements. By flagging hidden vulnerabilities, AI-driven maintenance not only saves time and money, but strengthens the backbone of the industry. Unwavering safety in the skies. Imagine sailing through check-in with no queues, receiving entertainment suggestions tailored to your tastes, or getting real-time updates on boarding gates, all thanks to AI. In this segment, we trace the passenger's path through airports, equipped with facial recognition technology and chatbots offering instant assistance. We learn how AI personalizes every stage of the journey, from onboard comfort to reward programs. By analyzing past travel preferences, airlines can suggest upgrades, custom meals, or in-flight activities. These seamless, AI-enhanced services do more than eliminate hassle. They foster stronger relationships between passengers and airlines, making each journey feel distinctly personal. Behind every modern aircraft is a design process driven by precision, innovation, and now artificial intelligence. In high-tech factories, robots operate with near-perfect accuracy, welding, riveting, and inspecting components on vast assembly lines. AI crunches millions of data points to optimize aerodynamics, reduce weight, and slash fuel consumption. Engineers rely on machine learning to flag microscopic defects long before they compromise safety. Our cameras reveal a world where human expertise meets automated intelligence, unlocking faster production cycles and stricter quality control. It's a pivotal moment in aircraft manufacturing, and AI is at the forefront of building lighter, safer planes. for the next generation. With climate change on everyone's mind, aviation faces increasing pressure to minimize its impact on the planet. Here, AI becomes a powerful ally, calculating flight paths that avoid turbulence, reduce idling, and save fuel. We meet specialists integrating machine learning into aircraft design to make frames lighter and more efficient. Meanwhile, ground operations are streamlined by AI-based energy management, from lighting to air conditioning in vast terminals. The result is a future where technological breakthroughs and environmental responsibility align. In this chapter, we explore the breakthroughs that promise a cleaner, quieter aviation industry for generations to come. In fields ranging from emergency relief to agricultural mapping, drones, powered by AI, are transforming the way we think about flight. These unmanned aerial vehicles navigate on their own, evading obstacles and adapting in real time. Whether operating solo or in coordinated swarms, they can reach remote locales where conventional aircraft might struggle. We witness how advanced computer vision allows drones to map entire regions swiftly, capturing intricate data for scientific, humanitarian, and commercial uses. Already central to industries worldwide, AI-driven drones offer a glimpse of aviation's future. Versatile, efficient, and capable of tackling tasks once deemed impossible. As AI reshapes aviation, it brings a host of questions to the forefront. Who's responsible if an autonomous aircraft malfunctions? How do we protect passenger data from misuse in an era of facial recognition and personalization? In this chapter, experts discuss the delicate balance between progress and safety, highlighting the potential for cyber attacks on AI systems. Pilots, controllers, and technicians worry about job security as more functions become automated. Equally pressing are concerns about bias in algorithms and the ethics of delegating life and death decisions to machines. Through candid conversations, we illuminate the moral and practical dilemmas posed by aviation's high-tech revolution. What lies beyond the horizon for AI-powered aviation? This scene explores visionary concepts like urban air mobility, on-demand aerial shuttles, and fully unmanned commercial flights. Industry leaders highlight how AI could orchestrate thousands of vehicles in newly defined air corridors, turning once futuristic dreams into tangible realities. But regulations, collaboration, and public trust will be essential if these visions are to take flight. Using interviews with pioneers, we delve into the obstacles that remain: technical, legislative, and social. As we glance into the future, it becomes clear that AI is redefining how, where, and why we fly, opening new frontiers in modern travel. From automated check-ins to autonomous aircraft, AI is reshaping the way we traverse our planet. Throughout this documentary, we've spotlighted groundbreaking technologies, brilliant minds, and new perspectives on what flight can be. Yet, with great power comes significant responsibility. Ensuring safety, sustaining public trust, and guarding our data in an ever more connected realm. As we stand on the cusp of flying cars, predictive maintenance breakthroughs, and shared airspace for manned and unmanned vehicles, one idea resounds. The horizon for AI in aviation is limitless. The question remains, how will we seize these possibilities and chart a course to a truly remarkable future?